If you're looking for an affordable sound system for your setup that really packs a punch, then look no further than the Bowfell Plus by Majority Audio. If we open the box up, we'll find one RCA cable, one power cable, a remote control with various equalizer options, which will come in very handy, one AUX cable, and the Bowfell soundbar and subwoofer. We also have this little leaflet which details safety information, but you can also download a digital user manual online that you can access anytime you like. Moving on, let's take a look at the overall design. The soundbar is pretty compact, measuring in at just 38.8 by 5.43 by 7.21 centimeters, and as you can see, I've just popped it under my monitor and it fits perfectly. We have stereo speakers on the front, and on the back we have different ports, including a USB port to play MP3 files, a DC port to connect the main line, and an optical port if you're looking to hook it up to your TV. On the right hand side here we have a few buttons which control the different audio modes and turn the device on and off, and also the volume. Moving on to the subwoofer unit, it measures in at a total of 9 by 22.4 by 30.8 centimeters, and we have a speaker on the right hand side here which is protected with this felt-like material. It's matte black and has a minimalist design which I really like. You can showcase it on your desk or hide it underneath it or to the side of your TV cabinet, the choice is yours. I personally really like the overall design of it, so I've opted to display it on my desk alongside the soundbar itself. Now, setting up the system really is a piece of cake, and all you have to do is ensure that it's plugged in at the mains, then connect the 3.5mm AUX cable to your monitor and make sure that the subwoofer is connected to the soundbar to add that extra level of immersive audio. Then all you have to do to turn it on is hold down the top button on the right hand side here, or press the power button on your remote control. Then press the top button again to cycle through the different modes, which are indicated through the LED light in the top right corner. Red means that the device is turned off, orange is optical mode, flashing blue is Bluetooth mode, light blue is USB mode, and green is line-in mode. Bluetooth is accessed through pressing the mode button until you see the blue flashing light, indicating that the device is in pairing mode. Ensure that your external device of choice is also in pairing mode, and then connect it to the Bowfell Plus, and voila! You can play Spotify or audiobooks, whatever you're in the mood for. Combined together, the soundbar and subwoofer is capable of delivering 2.1 surround sound. So let's do a little sound test to check it out.
Collection of letters with spaces, but it can make us feel a certain way. And in that same way, when you get a large number of knobs together, whether it's in a...
Although you can play the audio just through the soundbar itself, the addition of the subwoofer creates a rich and deep bass, which helps to bring your music, games and films to life. But why choose Majority Audio? Other than the level of detail that goes into each and every product, Majority are the UK's first carbon neutral audio brand. And they're incredibly passionate about making a meaningful impact when it comes to contributing to an environmentally conscious future. They started out way back in 2012 and have continued to grow and flourish ever since, with sustainable practice at the heart of everything they do. Through their Plant a Tree initiative, Majority have planted over 435,000 trees in the official Majority forest, all in an effort to help towards a more eco-friendly future for all. It doesn't get much better than that when it comes to guilt-free tech. The Bowfell Plus combines style, substance and affordability, and is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their setup. The subwoofer is quite large, but it still retains a minimalist design, and can also be tucked away to conserve space if need be. Overall, it's well worth checking out if you're looking for a budget-friendly solution to level up your audio game. I hope that you've really enjoyed this review, and as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.